Good morning. Good morning. If you join me, help me share this video. Governor Zollo is here. Son of the great Shanamite. Thank you for joining me here live. Help me share this video. Governor Zollo is here. Son of the great Shanamite that lives. Thank you. I am here. It's in our go. I am here. Good morning. Sorry, I have not shaved. I need to beg you. I use one barber alone, and until I get to his destination, otherwise I barb myself. Thank you for being here with me. Alright, before I go further, allow me to play this video. Let's see this video. Alright, let me stop playing the video here and go straight to the point. I've seen this video online, and smartly over the night I opened my phone and I saw that details about this particular matter has been forwarded to me as I requested on the internet. One from a boy's son and some other source. Now let me talk to you, my audience. Before I go further, there are certain elements in life you need to deal with around you. When you say you are a human rights activist or you want to fight for humanity, you must be available, you must get ready for everything. Get ready for everything. And let me tell you this in clear conscience, without mixing words. The day you kill fear, the day you kill fear in you, and the day you close your ears against what people will say, you have solved 60% of your problem. 60% of your problem, I said. 60% of your problems are already solved from that particular moment. Hold on, let me refresh this. 70% of your problems are already solved the day you put away fears, and the day you start living a life not to listen to what people will say. You go far from that day. It's like having liberty of the mind, freedom of the mind, audacity to dwell in the holiest of the holies. From that day you see evil and you don't support it. You've grown. You've grown. Take this from me. Today is Sunday. Many of you will be in church. You'll be busy calling God. And those of you who doesn't go to church on Monday, you see yourself again praising Chukwu Kikabiam. Hello, brother. Bro. Ibola. I'm on live program now. I'll get back to you shortly. So, speaking to you at this point, you need to climb to that level where you will not be caged by fear. Fear has nothing to do for you. But I decided to be civil this time around, okay? For months now, I've never called Akuzion, but I'm going to call Akuzion here on live broadcast. I'm going to call his number. That's how I would do. Okay, I came across this video and I saw where this man says that Akuzion was owing him money. Funny enough, the details of these informations were sent to me over the night. I did my best to verify it. But I will not be so childish to start playing the voice notes the man has forwarded. I've gotten the man's phone number and he forwarded certain voice note to me. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to play voice note. Not for anything. Because nobody goes these guys. So I'm not going to play it because I need to hear from them. So the same man, I have his number right here, and I'm going to call him here. Mine is to settle every matter that comes my way. My own is to make sure that your money will be paid back to you amicably. Nothing less than that. I can only start boiling when somebody decided not to pay you or try to intimidate you. I've listened to your voice notes this morning, and what you said orally on the call and what I heard on the voice note, these two are separate. You said that I could threaten you and say that he will use your money to make case with you. That was not included in the voice notes I could forward it to you. That one is aside. So because of these two complicated doubts there, I will call him here. I've never spoken to him for some time, but I'm going to call him. Despite anything, their pride and whatsoever, I'm going to call him. Let's hear from him first. If actually what he's saying or what you said is not truly what happened, except when he tried to attach arrogancy to it, that's when I will not listen to him. I disrespect people who fails to respect what is right or the rule of law. All right, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to place justice at the middle, and whoever gets it. Somebody said, you said you are aware of the transaction. You can't be better than the Pope. And I don't know how people behave. There's one guy. This is a fake account. Guys, help me report this account. This Uncle Papi. This is a fake account. This is a fake account. You came to my live broadcast and you're commenting lie, stop lying. Akwa is owing him. What do you mean? Okay, if Akwa is owing the man, you allow me to mediate over it. You have a page. This is a Facebook account you're using to comment. Why don't you use it? Many of you fears for nothing. You can't even do this. You can't even go this far. I just came to talk about the matter. You are telling me lie. Who is lying? On my page? Ijikwa? Yes, allow the bit of arrogancy to live in me, brother. This is the way it is. Alright, so the man's phone number now. Let's call him. This is the little I know I can do for humanity. Since his name is Arinze Samuel.
There is nothing like that.
Hello? This is Governor Ezioku speaking to you. I'm calling you from a live broadcast. I saw the complaint you forwarded to my phone, and I've listened to the voice note, but I decided not to play the voice note. The whole world is listening to you right now. I want you to tell me again in comparison so that I will be sure if what you said on that voice note, if it is true or if it tallies with what you are going to say here now. I will find out. Ahambo Prince.
Samuel.
Okay.
Anambra State. Nche na Akwa Idume Zollo na-eme promo ya na advert m ya na Facebook because nwunye m na-efoli ya and m also m na-efolo ya also na-promote mmanya ya. At a time, one day nwunye m akpọ m sị m na Akwa send Opik as one of his distributor Igbo Zollo bitters. So m na-asị ya okay ansị gbadoro jụọ ya ego ka anyị ga-akwụnyekwa m ọjụọ Akwa ọsọ kwụnya na anyị ga-akwụnya 20 million after everything m ga-akwụnyere 10 million asị anyị okay ihe na-eme na first week of April. So the money adịba n'aka Akwa gbakwa Akwa si Akwa alpha anyị nwee ndidi na a ga-ebute mmanya and we continue waiting chiri onye elu na towards May, first week of May. Akwa pụta ọnụ ebe na ndị Akwa kpọọ m sị m na ọ kpọọ my wife na nwunye m adịghị epiki kọlụ ya. So m jee na moto enwe problem n'ọba m jee ka nri speed moto ngwa si oke na the moto na-aga Ekiti steeti nje eme mmanya offload mana ndị moto amakọtị the journey. So m nwere I have to rush there ruo ọbụna ndị Anambra State Task Force gidi moto na Idemmiri that na ọba nke dị Idemmiri, that bridge. I have to discuss with them, say to them, follow the motor with the driver to my parking store. We made the money offload that night. After the money offload, remember them with the money. Akwa almost biko mumi area can load the motor. But the motor make it back to Aba that early morning Sunday. Where I have a mechanic, I load the motor that Saturday evening. Late in the evening. After I look the motor pokwa run obosi ugo obosi everywhere can move my motor break down complete. Then those boys form I have to rush them the night. JPK those boys. They left in my house. I feed them, take care of them. Then Sunday, load the motor back in Fanabazia. Then one day morning, I could not call me with my wife. Si anyị na ọchọzi mmezi anyị number 1 distributor on Richard. One man only bulia, one guy only distributor mana ọchọzi ndị three from the guy. Konye zi anyị mma. Zi anyị moreover na the guy apele sigo mmanya anwe. Ebi one carton for one na their shop. And see my wife, I can money offload on Saturday night and Monday abadapia. And after time and they let you go. Even guy got 30 million. I'm to touch money. I'm not getting it clear by the money. Or fair and it's okay, but I'm not going 9 million naira. Believing that Nak is telling me the truth. That Nigeria na Ndo our dad could be Nanduya. But I want to do
that. Sir, before you continue, anyway, one thing talk on water. Individually, Ono Brown will his own life to live. So I don't like it, and when people try to say that you expect me to behave this way because I am from the same family with my younger ones, is wrong.
Okay.
So Uno separate here Ebukobi from anything at all. When it comes to business, Ebukobi did not sell bitters to you. Go ahead.
I know. But why I say so, because I'm gonna the money is so mad. I'm not the same. Then we'll have 9 million naira. Then on Tuesday, I'm going to have one shop. But then I shop. The mother like it the bitter. That's one thing good. The bitter is very perfect. The mother rush ya cable money. Not for money about 15,000 because I recommend us to know that we should not have more than 500 naira a carton. No one 15,000. Every other one play away. Na onion warrior, onion woman, a good young woman with you, okay, could you know? Not for if I alien. Then the money continue park here. Not very funny men to point out if you money. I could see the leg alien. The extent that now, my wife, but he did the Piazza radio. jingle. In my letters of cancer, I had part. Come on, when I get picky, which I could approve. After everything I could table, I wanted to cancer. You must say a gallon. After 1 month, you had a party, close, my pack here. Look out, them money ego, the mamma make a money. I will signal no maybe ego. To an extent, it continue. What Yaku, my brother, a baby petition money and he may be ego. Never be the body galia. Before the Quasiamu, ego Mdinaka, 13 million something. Aqua Simunga Mus in the account. It's in the account. Or the bank. Mr. Quasiaku, my brother, you put them this morning now. Or Simunga Mus. What is the what he did? Ego you only a moto. Acquire for number 1. Take a stomach at the man balance of the Yanaka, 13 million something. What the moment did. No, I can make all to gas na Canada, which are low, a below them do money. Nobody did it. It continue. For the point of phone, or some long a bond, none of which died it. Did it. I keep on calling Marco now, dear, now here. Not when I hear because every July, you may get a paper. What now? Now, into police, young police. In charge, my mammy. Look at my money, make some trouble. Go through to me. When I have do or die. I'm going to meet you where I could be go, a paper. So if you want to look at you, only we bear moon pico, the money yellow marker. I could balance my money.
But Jerry, sir, I want to join Chorage because before the God of equity and justice, I did like ask people the gospel truths. In a repeat as before, ki just sujin kabido.
Before.
Now, on this side, now believe you me, Edala this side, you are not supposed Obumi Rebegi bitters before. If you've not sold bitters before, I'm not telling you that your money will lost or your money will be paid back to you. Your money will be paid back to you. But I like telling people the gospel truth and let them go down with the truth. You understand? Obumi Rebegi, any product you've not sold before, okay? There are ways to come into it. You start gradually, not filing out monies and all that. Because, if you give me such money to produce something for you, give me a before. And me also, I'm also new in the business because I'm producing for the very first time and selling to you. You shouldn't commit the last thing you have. That's 1. 2, the Maya Yeregi, Obohu fake, right?
Fake now. I'm about to like here.
Obo the original, and you tested it for nobody confirm, right?
Yeah, but you're not here.
Okay. So, okay. Take this from me. Any product you've not sold before, build customer base. This is first. Then make sure people knows you. But at the same time, you are trying to do publicity and get the products into the market first. You understand? Before any other thing. Before give it to go in larger quantity. So right now, and another point where I thought Ako's statement is where he said that each police charm he will give you. That is also very, very wrong of him. You understand? Customers' rights must be protected in any business at all. Customers' rights must be protected. So he sounded like a child there, but I don't want to blame him. Because it may also be his first time of coming across such discussion with a business partner. So there are certain things he needed to put in guide. Now, ego nekisi okwasi inyege balance in total.
Balance in total 13,400,000.
13,400,000. Ego leko send there again by house isi niji raw motor ko isi niji mejingo. How much? 30-something thousand.
Yes.
Okay.
Then really would maybe anything on iPhone 9. No, on what did in any bitters, big dealers. I share it to all of the people.
Sir, hold on, I'm not here to talk about bitters.
Okay.
That is his product, okay?
Yeah.
That is his product. And I appreciate anyone who puts up anything together to sell and make money. That's good.
Yeah.
That's his personal business. That one does not concern me. My concern here is what truly happened between that particular money.
Yes.
Okay. So right now, your balance is 13 million.
600,000.
13,600,000 naira. Okay. So please, the evidence, the person who consulted me for this thing before I could get your number from him, the person sent an evidence of 9 million naira alone. So how come about this 9 million?
First, I paid him 10 million for the first time. Then the second one, when he lied to me, let's go. I paid him another 9 million, making it a total of 19 million.
Okay.
Even like I can play his voice note.
No.
For the one to hear.
No, there's no need. I've seen it. I've forgotten on my WhatsApp, but there's no need for that. There's no need for that. So you sent 10 million first and now sent another
9 million.
9 million, which makes it 19 million naira, right?
Yes, sir.
So ngwa ife ego ne ka ebunyere ga-ebunye?
Ngwa yo bunye mbaya 5 million. Let me just calculate it now. When you just a second, calculator. It just say 14, 5, 13, 400, and 400. 5 million, 600,000. 5 million, 600,000. I'm going to
Okay.
13 million, 400.
13,400,000.
Yes, sir.
All right. So now look at what you do. I want you to stop complaining right now.
Okay.
Your money will be sent back to you.
Okay, thank you.
The appropriate channels. You've reached out to some persons before now, right?
I've reached out to some people before now, those that I believe that they will be able to talk to him.
All right. Okay. I want you to stop. Don't lay further complaints, okay? Okay. So to the appropriate channels, we'll reach out to them. We'll first reach out to Akuzion, even live here on this program. We'll call him. Then if he responds, fine. If he doesn't respond, then we'll follow this rightly. Your monies will be paid back to you.
Thank you very much.
I also heard on the voice note, it's really a problem with Wunyegi because she led you into this, right?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to follow peace in your marriage. Endure. And a lot of these things comes and they will still fade away. So please stay at peace with your family while we reach out. These monies will be paid back to you. You know, go?
If very much in the mobile focus to my wife, it won't have to begin to tell me, I'm not on Yambo at all. No, my wife can call me. But I begin to imagine, what if I got behind me between Yan and William?
Don't worry. Let's not, I will call you back. It's good to hear from you, but just stay at peace with your wife. I'll get back to you on this matter. I'll get back to you. All right. To each and everyone listening to me, my name is Governor Zioku, son of the great Shanamite that lives amongst the angels. We do things in a good way, however we felt it will be done rightly. And let me tell you, for my audience listening to me, if you want to put corrections in us, not at the comment section, not where you come and insult us, we will not listen to you. I just made available my number here. on this comment section. So you can private chat me, you can reach me via inbox, tell us this is the way we should go about this kind of things and we'll listen to you. Not when you come at the comment section try to bully us. You never know. You can be a victim tomorrow. Okay? You can be a victim tomorrow. So, but we are not passing our judgment yet. We are not passing our judgment yet. So, I'm going to call Akwa here on this live broadcast. Let's call him and hear from him and be sure if what the man said is true. Then if we have any advice to give, we will give. I'm calling him and he's not picking. I don't want to show the picture because the image of Prophet Ebukobi is there. Then after this call, I will tell you guys what is not picking. I have to call again for the second time. Sark is in church, he will not pick. If he doesn't pick, we'll still give audience, we'll still give him time for 24 hours to see if he's going to call back. If he calls back, fine. If he doesn't call back, that's also good. We'll know what to do from there. Okay, a lot of people are commenting he might be in church, he's in church right now and all that. Okay, let's believe that he's in the church and he's going to call back for this matter to be settled and this man will have peace. For the respect I have for myself and some persons, some of my fans, family members of whom I have promised not to do certain things that will not get cleared before them. They are the reasons why I am not going to play the voice notes of Akwa, the one I could send to the man. I don't have need playing it. I will not play it. I have self-respect for myself. That voice note was forwarded to the man, to his WhatsApp, and not to me. So, except when doubt comes in, that is when we can go that lane. But for now, we've not heard from him. We will keep quiet and wait and watch. All right? So, please, everyone, we are peace ambassadors except when you don't accept it. When you don't accept peace the way we present it. Everything when you tell people you're not going to do this, you're not going to do that, whatever heaven should fall and all that. Nobody owns the monopoly of contact and all that. Besides, we are going to build this our country in a way that even the commoner will have say. The commoners will have say. Those who felt that they don't have anybody, those who felt they can intimidate anybody will no longer have a space to do so. And I can assure you, we'll do everything to defend what is right. Alright? So when we hear from Akwa, I can assure you he would balance this man if finally we listen to him and hear exactly what he has to say on this particular matter. The balance of 13 million something, if it is true, will be given back to the man. I can assure you. So nobody is above the law. And one thing I want us to fight this kind of battles is when people try to tell you that they can do you anything. Okay, Igbo channels is here. So when people tell you you cannot do anything, all because there is one little contact they have somewhere, that is one thing I will never, never accept. I don't really like it. Everybody has access to the higher table. Every citizen should. Igbo channels, the thing declined. I don't know why. You can call on phone if you have any contribution. You can call me also. So I don't like it when people try to tell you that you won't do anything. It is wrong. It is wrong. Don't go about threatening people. Threatening people. It is not like that. Life is not always done that way. There are illegalities you may do that will later affect you. It will later affect you. And those police, I know I'm saying this one. I'm saying this one because I'm also concerned. I'm also involved in this kind of lifestyle. I'm also involved. My number is 091 300. This is the number you can reach me with. 091 300 65170. Okay? I don't like this lifestyle or this standard where people can threaten you, telling you they can do you anything, that they have all the highest number of police. Is wrong. It's wrong. Nobody should do that. Nobody should do that. It is very, very wrong. Don't even say it. And if you're a policeman, anybody is using it to intimidate anybody, be very, very careful. All right. You're welcome. Can I see your face? Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Happy Sunday.
I wish you the best from here. You're welcome. Channels.
So I go think I'm one or two things in here. No man.
Ekele dịrị Chineke, ịkpọrọ m na fonu taa bara m mba.
Mba anama aba mba. I'm gentleman, sir.
Yes.
I'm a gentleman. First of all, the approach is good. The approach he made this thing now is good. I like the fact that Igbo the man is yoku number one. Olebe bitters before. And they're born a bitters before. He has no business doing something he has never done before.
No, brother. He can try, but he will invest little.
Yes, that's one. You know, the life no life is okay. So don't one example on your part. Somebody evacuated tenants don't be a lower school because na school no within that area na Ghana. But he doesn't know that now people Ebeha station go where the heart belongs to. This is 2 years now. Nobody has entered that school, not even one person. Despite the CCTV camera, he in Hamechalia. But I know that and say, open at this man. Open a way to reach out to this man where I say it's better to put tenant here than school and now. This is 2 years now. Never good. That na bitters but na here doesn't warrant you to go and invest your all into that business.
Yeah.
Because now one video me one certain time where I may help bitter saga no one say na enwere ka ahia si eme inwe ike na nọrọ na Abuja Zola na-aga ahia na Abuja, then another product that man ga ahia na Abuja, then you put another product na ga ahia na Abuja, but buy na one location na Abuja or ga ahia that place. Ahia onwe ka ahia si eme. If the thing abataro na your territory, forget about no matter what you do to promote that, it will not move for you. That doesn't mean that the product is bad, and that doesn't mean that the seller is bad. You got allow. So him now focusing on senior ego cement kanwa. Average businessman will hold again number one. An average businessman, ego for example, now. You may go say, okay, you are calling me for work in 2 days time. You may go today. I have every right to go get today because you go my advance. Mana ịpụtazi asị m na that na work ọzọ nye gị ego gị back. You have to nwere m ndidi. Ihe nwe mana ịbịa approach em wrongly. That is where clash of words comes in. Ngwa gị till nna till mecha ihe till I mecha our agreement. If not, I'm still owing you.
But brother, hold on, Just that, the greatest people I respect are my fans, my true fans, people like you. Give me now, me sim governor do like this. If you watch me, I listen. If you can testify, I listen. I try to listen to people because each of my failure comes when I don't listen to people. So I do listen to good advice. Please,
Okay.
Somebody just commented. He said, "Did you hear from Pastor Ekene?" I think that visa guy. I will talk about that visa matter and that visa issue. That of 4 million naira, of which a pastor collected money from the people. I have seen the truth. I've seen the truth on that matter. But let me just touch this side you're going now. Then I'll come back to this visa case of 4 million naira. Brother, Oluoma, Iruoma. I did listen to the voice conversation between them this morning, and I understood something. But the reason why I don't want to hit there is if I hit it, people will say it's as if I am now fighting Akwa. You understand? But at what standard and level, I just need to prove sense of maturity. Do what is right. That's very simple. At all cost, don't tell anybody getting about a business. No, trouble is wrong.
Oh well, what? Gini warranty is it? Gini warranty Dioku because something may go before.
Now we can only judge. We can only accept that statement. We can only accept some of these things this man said when we hear from Akwa. And I could now reinforce arrogancy again. You understand the why I do? So it is when I hear back from him that I will understand. Not to really go this man, but whereby I have not heard from him, I cannot do much. Hello? Okay. So you get what I'm saying? So this is the way it is. A boy's son is sending me. A boy's son sending a request to join my life. A boy's son, I'm accepting you. A boy's son reached out to me yesterday. I was like shouting on me. Why I should delete that post. A boy's son.
Anyway, sir,
you're welcome.
Sir, Ogwa did the voice note. Yotala. I don't have access to it. I'm not on me here doing the voice note. I'm not on the content on the voice note. Ogwa be the voice note. Ogwa me here no. Yotago.
Okay. No problem. Let's hear from our brother here. Let's hear from a boy's son. Let's hear from a boy's son. A boy's son, you're welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You're welcome, my brother.
Here na-eme ndị be anyị bụ afụcha eziokwu a na-epenti like this. Yep. Japa, good morning.
Because a quick note ka ị mara ndị eje ụka ba m na ejekwa ụka a nọ n'ụzọ eje ụka ka m drop.
No, somebody is talking before you came in, JPAC.
Biko ebe so biko pardon me eruwego m church mma apụ kịta just 2 minutes ka m drop gị wa werezi ọnọdụ ị mara ndị eje ụka. Biko permit me.
Go ahead.
Hello?
Go ahead.
Governor was okay. First of all, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Forgive my manners. Good morning, everyone. Igbo channel, I see you. Igbo son, I see you. Good morning. Happy Sunday to you all. Can I pop you also? I was following your live broadcast, Governor Zioku. And one thing about you is that now, in a water without minding who the thing will offend. I was even listening to your voice, your message. Nature Kabia side the bara the man himself. But he told the man nothing but the gospel truth, and I am pleased with that. Man, I will be amekwa business Madam Aranye, onye na-ekwu ebo Igbo channel. First of all, I'm throw this question to you, Governor Eziogu. Mgbe ibido na-eme moto import, ijere ma ọ ga-ese moto import. We just wake up, take any
No,
risk.
no, 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 no,
Moto import.
no, JPAC. I first, because I did you don't know my MGB loan. You don't know my MGB loan. This is one side people don't understand. So I must go and do my findings, start somewhere. I didn't start with 40 feet container. I didn't start with 40 feet.
This life is all about risk. Woman is all about risk. Risk. When you wake up in the morning and decide to go to my two, it's a risk. If you wake up in the morning and decide to go to Lagos Island, it's a risk because along the line you might be got injured. It's a risk. Life is a risk. Open the man to or Gare make so much money. We will not be here dragging issues with anybody because it's a risk. Only open a better business like this, a mad advert. Oh, when the machine pass, mana onwe opportunity of business that was only I venture into it. You go lose. To that man, I was listening to that man. Who could say that na the product maramba. And the people we are rushing. Come on, we say Russia, ka price. And in the end, the man who found out that the man did not call the company. Say no, winye na gente. No winye meroju chula winye. The man wait back away. No, put on young one. Also, business here. No winye. And don't believe are based on here church. No, they are member. No.
No. Jepak. And what do you have about church there?
Okay. Let me arrive. He always like to be on the supporting side.
I swear.
What I like you goes to that bam.
Jepak, because you've made your point. You've made your point. Let me hear from a boy son.
I finished for 1 minute. I finished with my point.
Okay.
So, when you made the business, open a hammer business, or ga. I am not never it's your than here was after all. Open all that I get a high, they don't know about testimony, Thanksgiving. I am the collection, I made a business, make millions. Nobody will be here to drag issue with anybody. But not because no garo. I didn't tease you so. I didn't you know, Ekutem Goka. I go and come, I go and come. Open a demand a book, knowing on what the business, then I will tackle him squarely. No, they could not wound ye, but I see that. Oh, when I was okay, Konya Arena, I do, call him and wine, and I do, cause support to wound ye. The man did not do anything wrong by supporting his wife. Cause support to the wound ye. And you can't tell me that now the man always more than that money. Man also go to tea go the first. Or tea or naga, the thing where because we don't buy a tea. Or what's okay now that the business not around. But I may hear a guy Bruce and Kaibu. Kaibu in Kairatazi, Eotara. Then the Kayama was a high, because I continue. Who are here? More than I made a okay, but we go to 30 million, but you don't 30 million naira. No one has to wear now. Kazamata, who are here? No, the man may pay the winnie shop. My wife not here. I must say what you get up. Decide I can pay that shop. I'm a good business, over I'm buying to bitters. Buying to bitters, some other varieties of bitters. I will come and give thanks to God. Can you man or lose? Though the man they put a lose of 5 million naira and gave you. What is your
I'm on live broadcast. I'm on live broadcast.
Oh, please, yeah. The man they got to go lose of 5 million. He have been paying post. See, no, the woman there, Mbabura was the Anthony the Bobna. The man has spoken now here with the coast ready. Who's a water? I'm supposed to lose 5 million. I'm not my family, I'm not the product. I really the product. I'm dash, money. I'm going to think I had next time or next time.
Jepak.
I'm going to have the end young camera.
Jepak.
I'm going
Jepak.
to please. You come here, you come
Jepak.
about the
Jepak. Jepak, we have
Biko
heard you. Let
room
me.
na church.
I want to hear from a boy son.
I'm going to God bless you.
Bless you too. So, a boy son, go ahead.
Some of us na buying Facebook kwa kuchiaka because maybe if I go to Nigeria, when they have the connection and the money, people like to be your friends. You understand?
Yeah.
Once you are rich, and nobody want to be a friend of a poor man. Nobody want to be a friend of a poor man. But when you are rich, you know more of man with a connection. A lot of people will be like, let them. I want to be your friends. And exactly if you Jepa before, and you understand. And now this Tinubu regime now, man ego. And the voice note to go on I also had the voice note. It is very bad
Okay.
now. All I do very bad now. Again, I'm mad make business. Make business. Business are guys up because though it was now customer is always right. Customer is always right because all your customer he patronize you. Often can also we feel like let me patronize this person. So I don't know what anything that happens between you and him.
Please
If you
reveal
person
to me
know
again how to report that thing. Reveal to me again how to seal my page. If I am live and anybody is streaming it, the person should be blocked or the account. I'll talk to you after this live broadcast. Go ahead, brother.
so him like as I was saying before, open manner of customer have customer is always right because only that no futurable an area he decided to patronize you. You understand? Also go and that thing. Now upgrading na ego na onye ego obuna onwe ka eze
Eboy son.
just as
Eboy son. Hold on. Let's hear from this guy. This young man whom I am bringing in here now. Leka testimony Shaga. Do you know why I honor this man? Up from now WhatsApp now. This guy is based in Anambra State. And one day, one guy, the guy on a prisons. Only Amaro the guy before, but I offer the family na the streets. Where see Alekwebe Diano. Ne. This guy reached out to me. Wee jewe court onye sponsor my lawyer my everything till ebel onye no mara onye obu. This very guy is here. I have
okay,
never seen this person for the very first time. And he has called me here that he has something to say to this matter. So let's hear from him.
okay.
If I go, my own governor,
Ndewo.
with you, good morning.
Ndewo.
I'm ekele everybody nọ online Europa. Biko, anụ m ihe na-aga Europa ka m tetere ụra jos mepee my this thing ka m follow gị ya rapụ ihe conversation between you and that man. So, number one thing there chọrọ itinye bụ anyị chabụ ndị business. So ọ bụla the man zụrụ akụzion ahịa so ọ bụrụ o wee ruo ebe ahụ ebe obezi wee bụrụ datara dị ahịa ekwela aga ahịa wee tinye price fitinye price o fitinye ndị mmadụ wee jụọ datara ha ahịa na-ego ya so ihe o kwesịrị ime ịkpọ akụzion si ya datara price onye gwara ya tinye ọ dịkwara ya too much na ndị mmadụ ekwekwa azụ dị ahịa with that price. Then ihe dịziri Zion bịa ịbịa n'obishet ye maka o nwekwara another people azụkwa ume ha nwere challenges na abịa na business ha na-enwe challenges. Then those people azụkwa that ume ihe zoro bitters ahụ ego ole ka ha nwa tinyere nke ha ha fix the price nke ha ebe ahụ. Then yanwa amaro price o ebutu nke yanwa so that ka nke yanwa ike ịbanye ahịa na that state or that area. You understand? So ọ na-eme everywhere o nwere ebe ọ na-adị eme. So ọ bụrụ ọgwa Zion datin ọ bụrụ o refuse ime ya attention to that one. Before that, very on about goes to it, but once someone area, all business, once someone area will challenges and they will people so they would ever. Okay, attention.
Okay. My brother, so that we can give a boy son audience here. His page was the first place I thought this thing. Now, I'll send you the man's phone number and I will send you that of Akozion. I will send them to you on WhatsApp. You can reach out to them and let's see how this.
Just a second. Another thing, that man, ekwesịrị ịchụ nwunye ma ọ bụ inwe problem with nwunye because of that na nwunye nyere ya contact ije bute the zero beta or whatever based on nwunye bụ ihe nyere ya the contact jee bute the zero beta because ọ bụrụ ọ ga
No problem, I will send you the man's phone number. Okay. All right, go ahead, the boy son. Go ahead, brother.
Okay, Governor Zogu. The man, there's no refund of money after payment. There's no refund of money after payment. The man will say, according to what the man told me, the man will say, 5 million something. Get the point.
The park now. Okay.
Go ahead. Go ahead, the boy son.
Or now, Obey send is already that one, or the go that one again. Then O send this area another money again. Then Okwezi bunye de ngwa here, Okwezi bunye de ngwa here. Bunyezi de ngwa here mba. Refund is go mba because the man they think we are na the man na Akozan ebutela ahia 19 million bunye the man. And the man not just got refund, they go back. Refund, what are my point? I want to mother what I don't know whether people understand what is going on. I don't know whether the people understand what is going on here. So the man boost 5 point something million. So no so kunye say again, kepunye ku am gwa here, kepunye ku am more goods. They refuse to supply him the goods, and also they refuse to refund him his money back. And the man now there's no refund of money after pay. Open ebunye go angwa here 19 million. Now the whole ngwa ebunye here the whole ngwa here. The man can even endure obey go raise anyhow. But this of the ebunye the ngwa here complete.
Okay.
I don't know why some of our people got Zoku and then you go prison, go and ask where this one day. You go prison, we go prison, because we hate saying the truth.
Okay. Hear many buna, my brother. Hear many buna. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, my brother.
Okay, hear many buna. Take it from me, boy son. The moment you try to stick to the truth, get ready to lose friends, get ready to lose including family members.
I swear.
The day people will like you is the very day they have issues, complain to lay or to make to your table. Go and check everybody who lays complaint to me on Facebook from my normal page. Many of them must have insulted me before. In one way or the other. Man, tomorrow will still unfold. And many of them will still come my way. And I will still assist them. This is the way it is. Like for me, I like specifying things, okay? Man, I do business and it's not going down well. I have every right to tell you, please refund me. So far, you've not supplied the material. You understand? There is one aluminium company, where I told me adverts is stone coated company. So one of my friend went there and bought roof. So quotation on the roof, they gave him over quotation we go to roof bulatia roof no 1 month and 8 days. Akocha go the half of the material afọ. Do you know that this guy were Jane at the company? Gagwa has seen NNA. Company received that product back again, balance here go man. They didn't pay him that day. You see the way it is. So this is customers' right. They knew that if they can do this guy may give them more contact or more, may even tell more people. That was why the roofing sheet company accepted that. So sometimes there are protocols we must observe. A lot of people will talk blah 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 blah, no evidence, no this, no that. No, there is evidence. So there's evidence, but I'm not going to believe in that evidence. You understand? So I don't want to rely on that because somebody may tell you something in confidence. One correction I have taken is very simple. Whatever you discuss with anybody in the private is left between you and that person, and that's very simple. I have no right, I have no need playing it to the public except when doubt now comes in. That is when I know I can say something to that. Now, on the pastor whose complaint came about 4 million naira, the family who complained to me about that, I am yet to respond to you, but I'm telling you that that's money. That man caused story na that money. Hello? Hello? Yes. Good morning, please. Who am I on to? Okay. Okay. Unye the man. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. This one you're calling.
It's because I saw what you were saying on the internet, so I said to call.
Okay, man.
The wife, when she was actually the husband's house, she came to my house because what the remember me, she was not happy seeing the mother. So every time the mother said, but the mother is emergency. No, the way the emergency too. So I had to tell her to come over to my house and say when this mother was being carried on. And I was there when the business started. She was the one that has been following Akwa, the Facebook, before Akwa agreed to send them goods. But the only problem I could did was that I could treat the husband. I said that you want to make him the distributor in Anambra State, a sole distributor, when you already have a distributor already, with their almost 20 million, almost 60 million, and that man, his own goods not stocked in relief market on nature.
Madam, please take cognizance of my point here. I'm not talking about Merega, the Maya Merega Hoya. The man acknowledged that the product is a good one. I commend that, and I maintain the stand that so far in the bitters market, that bitters is accepted, pass through NAFDAC processes and all that. It is a good product. So anybody can buy it any amount he tells you. That is none of my business. If truth be told. So, man, outside that one, what we want, what you people want now is the balance of your money, right?
Yes.
Not bitters. Nobody should talk down on any product on my page.
I'm not saying that the product is substandard. No. I'm not saying it's just the price in the market.
Okay.
It's just the price. The price is very higher.
No, man. You people can settle that with him.
No. This man coming here and where. I want to go to Malacca. We bought a lot of the hotels have the west. And they complain. They cannot sell it.
Okay, madam, don't worry. This money will be paid back. See, the money is a problem, right?
It just got my friend who had no happiness now. Even all this Monday, tomorrow, God has after many people from Zion have been begging the husband.
Don't worry. Don't worry, it will be settled.
So I'm very grateful
Okay, so the,
Hello, sir.
madam.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I don't want you to say anything. See, the truth is that monies will be paid back. Issues will be settled. Okay, ma. I assure you, ma.
That's Madam Minister. I'm a good uncle. What is my name? But this man, somebody young man. I'm everything. I'm just everything.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Yesterday, I never know. But somebody that's how you're going to give it person. Now you're like, come on, this guy, you're going to tell me that I will have a good night for him. But I never have to say about tomorrow because
don't worry. Don't worry, ma. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Thank you. Thank you.
This will be settled. Thank you very much. Thank you. People kept calling me. Oh. All right. Little words I will say for now. Akwa Zion, try and settle this man. Try and settle them. Ezafakego. Governor Zollo is my name. Good morning. Okay. I should put it on loudspeaker. You permit me? Okay.
Okay.
It's on loudspeaker, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now, what I wanted to say is this. Number one, our main problem with that, I want evil. I not support of evil because of fear of the outcome. You know. One thing they more understand this is not the first time. This Akwa Zion is fond of, threatening people with police, with courts, and with all that.
No. He can't do that. Can't do that, my brother. Forget no Okuano.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I don't know what transpired between him and the man in question. But my concern is this. God that not succeed here with this man, he might still repeat the same thing with another person. And I heard a story about this Akwa, this particular guy. Is that people have been complaining like,
no, sir, don't go there. Let us face this particular one, sir.
Sorry, I'm coming, please. You know, if all church, we go church, Zion people are good people. Ebukobi is not a problem person. He doesn't like problem. But let him don't tarnish the image of Ebukobi or Zion people with his dubious character. I will know his story in Mozambique.
It's okay, sir.
Doing this for Igbo people. Everybody must have to close mouth.
It's okay, sir.
Threatening people because he succeeded in arresting Makabata and says that we will all be out for him. I can tell you this for free. It's too much.
Don't worry. Sir.
Using police, using this, using that to be threatening people. If you owe somebody, if you do business with somebody, try to settle with the person. That's your business. For coming out to tell the person that you will deal with him with police. Nobody had that monopoly of police or contact or whatsoever. What he know, somebody else might know more than him.
All right, sir.
Somebody else, and I'm hearing this Igbo channel boy or something like that. This guy he's a supporter of this Igbo.
All right, sir. I will. Let's give another person a chance. I'll get back to you. Thank you very much. My name is Governor Zollo. Hello, the people's governor is here. Good morning. I'm on live section, please. I'm on live. You want me to put it on loudspeaker? All right, sir. As you requested.
Yeah, I want to thank you for bringing out your time about this issue. Like the caller before the woman called, said that obviously Zion plan applies.
on a mafia. But if you listen to that man, for the first video that everyone saw post, he said he have called Akusayon many times. When applies and a mafia, I believe and a mafia. Akusayon stand up okay, no, be on the price, I call the price. Okay, the man is okay, no problem. They fund me the remaining money for saying, come on, Papa to watch out to keep me. Akusayon say, okay, what no, somewhere you go na Canada. No bata. Oxygen on the money. Okay, after some months, so put you pay back. Case authority with police, which is very bad. Case my business, but okay, to us now. Only showing you if you didn't battle with that rate, demand battle. What's that? No, you to 2,000. All the business in the money make on it. But say no, you to 2,000, 30,000. Come on, we see. Ogo no lose shake you. Next time, I'm not saying. But you cannot achieve she's the Mafia. You cannot ban the police. Because of me when I know you on Facebook, people will answer in a jack after. Oh no, a jack after you. If you so people get a run. Very bad.
All right, sir. Thank you very much. To the best of our ability, we'll make sure that we'll stick to what is right, sir. We can assure you.
Please, Governor, do your best for the man to get his money. Even if it's not the money, let him supply him the goods. The man back to Azam must also can all your
Yes. It's fine. It's fine, sir. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you. God bless you, sir. Okay, everyone, my son, go ahead.
Okay, Emana, can you quote before Ndibayana like in Ezoku? And that is why we are going backward. We hate truth. I hate Ezoku. I'm more why people and I like common the truth. Now, Governor Ezoku will come. We got one. Oburuna, one name work because Akozan is my brother from the same Ebonyi state. Obuno Maria amicably, Hana Woka rapport of ma. Woka na wagano since about 4 months ago. This man will not do video and begin to post on Facebook. Am I lying?
Yes.
Ogonos, this man don't know what he is wedding now. What go don't catch they go do mogi. What are my point? Hold this one. Now things recording. Nigeria now recording. Take this one and hold body. They go do mogi now. Do you know this man will not come out and begin to cry? Begin to do video and post.
This is Governor Zollo. I'm on live section. You want to talk to me in the private or here? Speaker. Okay, this is speaker. Ebony son, we need to listen to people. All right, go ahead.
Okay.
This guy now for Tayo. And I know that things are complain about the guy. This guy is not a Christian. I don't know why he entered there using their name to confuse people. Okay, I don't like too much. I'm going to tell that from last week. I have to do things now in our culture. You just be threatening all people, everybody with police. It's very out of hand. Please, if you can treat him, let him know that he's a person. It's not government.
Sir, I am.
Get out free. Yeah. He saw somebody, police, I just keep everything quiet.
No, such things will not happen again. It will not happen again. It happened because I can tell you for free that it happened because the person in question kept quiet. If at all Matthias and his group, if at all, let me tell you the gospel truth. If Matthias and his group had insisted, proceed with that matter to the law court. Police are
you know this thing. Like Prebuka will be bad name. This is not person. They break to the bad name. How can somebody enter there, stop messing up everywhere? This will be here as a profile picture. Now come people up and down. The question I call a minister, now I call fellow business.
Don't worry. The bitters is not my issue.
This is something I know before.
Is well. Is well. Thank you very much, sir. Let's hear from another person. Everyone, go ahead, please.
Okay, Emanande Madness, my bonny son. I would have not posted that man video. I'm a blogger. I am a blogger. Blogger, info video. You go na or from a video online. I saw the video online on copy video post. Now, and the man now Kozan is my yes, he's my, I will not deny the father is not my brother. Only one case for one time. Somebody started me, and I have to take Japan say go do no back Kozan on him number. On say my brother and they call no we madu button on my table. Someone post so that I'm not going to post. You are my brother, and I'm not going to tarnish image because of one thing or the other. Do you know that Kozan put that my number then a page here? So who give I son my number? I was trying to tell him as my brother. I want them okay. No one going to tarnish your image. Oh my God, you may remember when Akwa wrote on his page, who give a son my number, when we cheated that time. Akwa me as a brother, I want them okay. No, somebody came to me, try to tarnish your image. And the police as a brother is no good. If you know how to settle with this person, settle with that person. You are too big, dragging social media like this. He went to his page and wrote, who give a son my number. Imagine. Somebody I just somebody for maybe I talked to him privately as a brother. But why didn't I talk to him before coming? I'm not the man. I saw a video online and I picked the video and post. I'm a blogger.
Sorry.
And here the man, open now my brother.
Okay. But so let's hear from somebody else. Thank you. My
Okay.
name is Governor Zioku, the People's Governor. I'm on live section.
Yes, good morning, Governor Zioku.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. Yeah, I want you to put me on loudspeaker.
Okay, you're on loudspeaker, sir.
Thank you very much. I want to say two things. Number one, the man in question, very big mistake. A very big one. A mistake, Governor. You don't go into business in my private area, in mafia.
Yes.
That is number one. That is number one mistake. You're telling us at the voice note. Now, mafia, 15,000 cars in the area. And then called up 7,000. At what point did you not make your inquiries before you create the 19 million for the good similar price the mafia?
He made a mistake.
He made a very big mistake. A very big one. We shouldn't. It's a very big mistake. You know how one Peter and then calls almost 7,000, 9,000. Now you paid 19 million for the two similar price and the mafia. You didn't make your research anywhere in the world. You didn't research in your release market. And more research in the also you paid in 19 million for the two similar price and the mafia.
Order too much.
It's a very big mistake from him. And again, I have to commend you. You know why? The first person who posted through this video online made some aspersions on the guy Akuzayon. He posted this video out of some innuendos in law. He posted this video and made a comment against. He didn't post the video to help the man. He used the video to reach out to Akuzayon, maybe badly. You understand me? If it was the person who before posted the video, which is directly attacking Akuzayon's image. You understand me? Okay, look at the way you're treating the issue. Look at the way you're treating the issue. You don't want any aspersion on Akuzayon or his leaders. You're going straight to the matter of the point. But some people posting this issue are using it to come against Akuzayon. And that is condemnable. It is condemnable and we shouldn't support that.
Yes.
This man Akuzayon business. Business camera. No businessman and no businessman can refund no matter what. No businessman. And what? You understand me? The man is.
All right.
Cash to him. Where's he and refund money? It is not easy to make a refund. Even in a bank, he made a mistake in a bank.
Sir, I want you to pick a point here. It's not everything I want to say on the internet. Sir, I want you to pick a point here. Can you hear me, sir? It's not everything I should say.
Sure.
It's not everything I should say online, eh? Pick this point. The blame that falls on the man is that he ventured into a business of such with a higher money without being into the business first. That one is acknowledged. But you see, on the other side of the second money the man sent, a story was given to the man. Believe me, I didn't want to go this far until I hear from Michael Zion. according to the man, the story was given to him, and he absorbed the story and sent money according to the story, pending on verification from Akozion if this was exactly what he told the man, not only go Mborogwa abroad.
Yes.
Now the man in Yekoye go. This was what the man said. This is not also verified. We are not also counting it to be 100% sure that this is what Akozion said to him until we verify from Akozion. But whereby, if this is what happened, that you pulled up your phone and called a person, a client, and said, pay me so amount of money for so supply, it is against the person's will and choice. The person may say, you are now calling me because you want to give me on a cheaper rate. Remember, okay, now, sir, let me be very, very open to you here. That man is the best customer Akozion will ever have for now. Do you know why?
Sure, I believe.
Do you know why? If it were me, if I were to be Akozion, I would not toy with that man. Reason is this: a man who went to a radio house to go do jingle in my behalf wants me to grow. You want me to grow, but let's still keep that one as also not verified.
Sure. I listened to the audio. I listened to that man's video. The problem on with Akozion, that is the problem. The problem, I brought it, them or else let him go ahead on it. The issue, not that bed in go, and that we insisted, okay, that is the issue.
Okay.
The man did not emphasize. Then we also put this dictatorship. He didn't.
Okay.
Emphasize the pricing of the goods.
Okay.
The man has. See, you have to pick up. Let's deal with that to give this man his money.
All right, sir. All right, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right, sir. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Boy, son, all are easy.
I
All
swear.
easy. It is easy before some people, but they won't understand. Everybody, here na talk Igbo them. Here na trouble. A lot of people will tell you that. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? The man will go see a mission. But once 10,000 naira goes out of the account, bank Korea, not for card maintenance and thereabouts, they will not be happy. They will not be happy. You see them very early in the morning. They focus on a bank. You understand? So it's not really easy. But God will help us. Let me hear from somebody else again who has called Odirezi. So, Eboy son, yesterday I made a post and you reached out to me that I should delete it. Hello. Governor Zogu is my name and I'm on live section right now. Good morning. You want me to put it on loudspeaker? Okay. All right, go ahead.
Okay. What I wanted to emphasize on all this thing, according to the video Eboy Son posted yesterday, 75% of people who have spoken this morning, I'm talking based on the video of the comment of the man, the customer from Akozion.
Okay.
See, the last one now that's finished speaking now, I don't know, that man is a friend of Akozion. What I want to say here, the comment of that man, he said, all the goods that Akozion give to him, none of them are moving, the prices is too much. And they asked Akozion to reduce money, which Akozion said that is the price. And even mandated them that they only top 500 naira to sell the goods, which is not supposed to as a distributor. Now, all the goods, according to the video I watched, there's none of them the man sold because of the price is much. Because I'm hearing some people saying he called them the 5 million naira or whatever, he should keep that one, this and that. The man said that he have not sold even the carton of it. That people like it, but when they say the price, they say that if this drink you will raise someone from death, this and that. Now, the 5 million naira is there, the 10 million naira is there, and there's no way as a businessman that we are, all of us, many of us are doing business. This is under contract. You cannot pay somebody social amount, and you say that according to people now that he wants to buy business, already buy this and that. It's never done like that. Akuzayo, if that witness is not moving, that Akuzayo have to retrieve that refund the money for that man and carry his goods. If you want his goods if you want people to buy his goods, let's say abide for, because that is a rule. You give them guidelines how you can sell their business, and the man now pay them 90 million naira. You're not telling him that people are now complaining on your live video that once you buy, you already buy. Let that man now, the man is asking for the 10 million naira. Let him manage, let him go and reduce money and sell there and get his 5 million. No, it's never done in that way. Akuzayon, if they're willing to, and that man have to be a command. That man is a very good man. So Akuzayon, according to what you just said, Akuzayon couldn't lose that man, because that man is a very good man. Never said anything to hurt Akuzayon in his broadcast. The only thing he wanted, he pleaded, and which is the arrogancy of Akuzayon that made that man to come on the live on video to the world to help him for the world to help him. So the only thing I want to say, you're a very good man, and I've been following you all this while on some things you are doing. Never you listening to side talk, because some people that are calling now, like the man that just called you now, is the friend of Akuzayon, and things never done in that way. That's not how they treat matters.
All right, sir. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it, and God bless you for sticking to what is right. All right, my name is Governor Zioku. I'm on live section. You want me to put it on loudspeaker? Hello? Okay. Please, the whole world is listening to you. Go ahead. Say your name is what?
Peter, and you can call me Peter.
Okay.
So, LA has contributed to this issue of Akuzayon on business. My brother, I'm not a business, I'm not a business, I didn't make a business. They go to company. People are company. I'm not a phone they go. Na business. As they go the book all the I'm so glad I got here. Oh, we get how I company. On the time they go and Lagos Nebana. I'm looking on the time they go and Lagos and book I got soon to my what I'm going to make business.
Okay.
These are son. I don't my uncle business, more just business. Business that show me that is very wrong.
He's also into business.
No, the boy is in the business.
All right, thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. I don't want to insult anybody. Thank you. So, life is of everybody in his own ways and in his own dimension. I've said this before. The man didn't do well by not have gone for business market surveyor. Go learn that business you want to do. That's number one. But that shouldn't mean. Good morning. This is Governor Zioku. I'm on live section.
Hello, my governor. Good morning.
Good morning. God bless you, sir.
Yeah, please, I would like you to put me on the loudspeaker.
It is on loudspeaker right now.
Okay, thank you so much. I've seen how you're analyzing these kids so far, and I have to say, you're doing a very nice job, right? But one thing I have to say, I picked out from what you told that man. One, you don't venture into business without doing feasibility studies.
Yes.
Right?
I agree.
Studies. You don't sell with us before. You knew that. Okay, now in matter that they were that there is 7,000, then they had the own. No, you shouldn't have gone doing all this background check before you do this. Then nothing I want to point out to Igbo is this. You don't do business with somebody because when you're going to post so front.
Yes.
You don't do that. You are supposed to even start doing business with somebody first. Give who the integrity of the person, the integrity the person is playing against. So it's a catch one. Which denomination do you belong to? But people they made that kind of mistake because the man says something because someone don't know what is Zion. Yeah, Papa, we can no business. We can send away 19 million. No, that's wrong. That's the same thing. This baby man was doing from Chicago.
Don't worry. You don't need to mention names of anyone here.
No, I understand. But I'm trying to put some people into perspective. Let them know these things. You want to do business, be straight and do business. Don't do because they can go or in a will go no matter. Be straight and do business. Yes. For the money, since the man can already go to 1.5 or something million naira, right? Can they really want something? Let the man do away with those ones. Let him sell it. But the remaining of the balance of his money, let him sell it back.
So far, it has not been supplied.
Yes.
So far, it has not been supplied. Because if at all, now, the man, there is nothing the man can tell anybody here.
Yeah.
So, there is no way. Because he said, I could be a hire no moto. Mortgage fuel, a liter of fuel is 1,000 something. So, not the man, the man,
yes.
Already,
dash it out to anybody, but that one.
No, people are ready to buy it. Another thing we should also verify is this: if the man is actually selling according to the company price they told him, or if he was looking for extra gain.
Yeah.
You understand? There are protocols that deserve some good observations. That is a must. It must be checkmated. But right now, the man has a contact on how to resell it. That's why I was asking him if he was into bitters before now.
Yes.
So he should look for a way, give it to certain distributors. Cannot, this thing that one. Money from Kahuna supply eBay, the money should be given back to him. It is his right.
Yes. So one more thing, Governor, I want to advise Akwa. Let him distance himself from Saga in business and not a Terimano Achekaku. If he wants to do well in business, distance yourself from Saga and the Terima. That the Terima Achekaku will ruin Akwa. I know what I'm
saying. It is well. A word is enough for the wise. Thank you very much and God bless you. Thank you for calling into our program. All right, Governor Zoku is my name. Governor Zogu is my name, the people's governor. I am on live section. You want me to put it on loudspeaker?
Yeah, good morning.
Okay, you're on live right now. The whole world is listening to you.
Okay, I'm my from Jakarta. Thank you, man.
Okay.
Poverty in Nigeria and Lego. I found a rich man. Some people they based on money issue. And this at the Zion of 18, they follow you for a very period of time. Now they follow you for a very long time. And sometimes I'm not impressed with this treat some matters. Man, I don't papers or this at Zion because
people should wait. Let me finish taking a particular call.
People do not online, you don't want to come out. The police network to send them mad. Anybody can call police for anybody as far as this life is concerned.
Okay, he can't do that. He can't do that.
No. I want to make a point. Police or the people with the police. Police they may arrest. Yes, they take on or something. So yeah, the police threat them because maybe I'm and the very important. They will put that Zion.
And the other white one.
Yes, with his own name here. Because that's in the three email leave Kobe.
Okay.
It or leave it on the very image of that man.
People are calling me direct calls.
Yes. That business, normal business. You get a mad business. Give police.
Oh, no problem.
Yeah,
no problem, sir. Those things will be corrected. People are calling me live and direct call. Okay, let me take your own call. Hello. This is Governor Zioku. I'm on live.
Okay.
All right, sir. Go ahead. The whole world is listening to you.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir. You are very, very close to your phone, and it's reflecting here.
Okay.
This man, I can't hear you. Can't hear you. Somebody was calling me. Oh. Let's take this call from London. This is Governor Zioku, the people's governor. I am on live section. You give me the permission to put you on loudspeaker?
Yeah, please.
Okay. You're on loudspeaker now. The whole world is listening to you.
Yeah, I can only take 1 minute to express my view.
All right, sir. Go ahead, sir.
One, this advice goes to you first.
Okay, sir.
You are not the best person to anchor this program.
Okay, sir.
That is number one.
Okay, sir.
My point, my reason being what has transpired in the past.
Okay.
You may have a positive or biased mind towards the whole issue. So you shouldn't be the right person to anchor this program. That is number one. Secondly, the issue is about price, not because I couldn't supply the man. In every business, there is a code that they use in doing business. If you go to any company and the company tells you this is our price, and you pay for the goods, getting back to the market and the price of the goods has fallen, it's nobody's business. What you should do, you strategize market strategy we use in selling your market. So nobody should blame Akwa. If we forget about these people that are going with the sentiment, if they have issue with Akwa, let them go and settle with Akwa. Their personal issue. This is a pure business. We are business people. People should stop punishing people's image unnecessarily.
Okay.
What is wrong with our Igbo people? What is wrong with us?
Okay, sir. Sir, I do have a question for you. Have I been biased before now? All the while I do recover monies for people, millions of naira. Have you called before to tell me?
I'm talking about this particular issue.
Okay, in this particular issue,
I don't know any other issue.
please, where have I been?
This program.
Where have I been biased, please?
Because I have listened to your comments.
Okay, so
excuse yourself from this program. You are not the best person.
So,
excuse yourself.
So I was biased.
Excuse yourself in this issue.
Why, sir?
You are not in the best position. We all know what transpired between you and Akwa.
Why couldn't you do that yourself since? Why couldn't you do that
Please
since?
excuse yourself. Let us be honest to ourselves.
Okay, so I'm not in the best position to do that. All right, thank you for your advice. Thank you for your advice. Thank you very much, sir. I have taken your advice, sir. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, somebody called me again. Ah, God. All right, Governor Zoku is my name. I'm on live section. Hello? Hello, Governor Zoku is my name. I am on live section right now. What are you saying, please? You said? Concentrate and talk to me now. Somebody will be on live section. We'll call you and hello, my name is Governor Zoku. I'm on live section right now. The whole world is listening to you.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning to you from here.
This man class now. Touch London, all right? That one touch London.
Yes.
What's my name? I'm in position to handle this case. But am I in position to handle every other case?
Every other matter. I didn't want to insult him. I didn't. I don't want to insult him. Just let him be. Don't worry, sir. Don't insult him. Just give them time. Give them time.
handle him. You know, sometimes I tell you another time to tell you, you may be in position to handle it. If you're more than
well, like this, don't worry. We must endure sometimes. All right, thank you very much. Governor Zoko is my name. Hello, this is Governor Zoko. I'm on live session right now. You permit me to put it on loudspeaker? Good morning. I should put it on loudspeaker. Okay. What's going on? Okay, the whole world is listening to you right now. Please go ahead.
Let me use my language. I don't know what transpired. I'm not going to discuss an agreement before that man release he go to Akwa Zion. So our advice, maybe we reach out to Akwa Zion.
Yes. I have called him and he didn't pick. Maybe he was on live, maybe on a church or something. So after the church, I will still call him.
So our advice is don't give much this in the audience to people to comment more. So we hear from him first, then you can know how to proceed.
All right. Thank you very much, brother. Governor Zoko is my name. I'm on live session.
Good morning, Governor.
Good morning. You permit me to put the phone on loudspeaker?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, please.
I'm calling from Spain.
From Spain. All right, go ahead. The whole world is listening to you right now.
Governor, enwere ihe ndị mmadụ na-ekwu na this matter na ha mata. Enwere right distributor nwere. Ịghọta. In a new product like that. Ọ bụrụ na that man buru ngwaahịa 5 million something. Ọ bụrụ na ọ naghị aga ahịa, ọ nwere right ịkpa Akwa Zion na-abịa na-eburu ngwaahịa na nke ahụ o bu na-ere na-abalansị ya ego. Ịghọta.
Mbasa. Sa le Sa
some people na-ekwu okwu ebe ha nwebe ihe wu distributor. Iwu a distributor na company. Ịghọta. Ọnwụ na ngwaahịa dị dọọlụ, company na-abịa na-eburu na nke ha sọplaịrị gị. Ịghọta.
na-ebunyezi ndị ọzọ.
Ọ dịghị ka na-ebunyezi ndị ọzọ. The man nwere right ịsa Akwa Zion na ngwaahịa anaghị aga. Akwa Zion na-abịa na shop ya na-eburu nke ahụ o biri ya na-ebi ndị ọzọ. Enweghị ka ngwaahịa atọ Akwa Zion n'aka tọọ that man n'aka. Ịghọta.
Okay.
Onye nwere iwu distributor. Akwa Zion na-ekwesịghị ise na onye ebiriri dị man n'ahịa. Onye nwere right of a distributor.
Okay. Sale, let the gospel truth. That man anọrọ into bitters before. Another into bitters before. I go 1 year ago. Let us separate Paul and Barnabas. Obro from car supply, the man na supply. I can never support na the man butcher area. It's wrong. Man, him the quote depending what na supply, they got supply. Ego ahụ. The man is not on Akwa Zion. Hence, the money is confirmed.
Yeah. The whole distributor, right? I was once a distributor in Capri.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for a little contribution here. Let me hear from another person before I go from here. Governor Zoko is my name, son of the great Shanamite. I'm on live session. You give me the permission to put it on loudspeaker? All right, please. You still need to reduce the volume of your own other phone you're using to watch me.
I'm doing it right away.
All right, go ahead, please.
My brother, my own point of view is let me go in Igbo so that I can break it down and what I understand,
Yes, sir.
That man in question, other Alaka, by the rest, but I can't blame him much because he has not been in business by the rest. Before going into any business, you have to do a proper verification.
on how the business is going. You understand now?
Yes, sir.
So, and on the second thought, Akwa Zion, I can see that now that guy on how define the poem in so many ways, because he has not been in business like this before, which I know from his character and the way he handles people. Because I really believe that this thing now, I think 80% of the truth goes to him because of the rudeness, because of too much rough, arrogant. I can do it all. I can handle it the way I want. I've already disqualified him from this very thing.
Don't worry, sir. Don't worry. You have no need to disqualify anybody.
But watching I'm sure you people and when you hear somebody here that come from that thing, I've been with a big name, a high profile person that is working and they're producing things. Everybody knows him. They are existing. The owner of Bullet. You understand? So when I took his goods to Cameroon for the first time, I was challenging him again. I called him. Instead of questioning him because Lebanon, they introduced goodies things before my coming. And they look at the price on the floor. Yeah, people. When you hold your melon, I make away these things in Yame so that everything will go. They now called me. Okay, I should come back to Nigeria. Never. We'll sit down. Then we'll make some research about that thing. Bring him down where this logo. Or bring it down the product. Now, only putting this thing in a container now, I need now at that place. So, Akwa Zion as the director of that business supposed to have a good orientation of how others are doing their own.
Don't worry. Thank you for a little contribution. God bless you. Happy Sunday.
All right.
Hi, Governor Zollo is my name, and I am on live session right now. Do I have your permission to put it on loudspeaker? Okay. Go ahead.
Yes, yeah, I'm going to enter you. You know, right now, we've known the issue. Now, the way forward. And me and you, Governor Zollo, we know that Akwa Zion will not listen to you. In what idea, because of the past experience. You understand? That's the truth.
He would listen. So I can tell you everything about Charo Wawawa online. He will refund the guy. If you don't refund the guy, let me tell you this. So if I verify evidences are before me. That's why I told you I know where I should respect people. If you say you won't listen to me, that is you're trying to tell me that there is nothing I can do. It's a lie, but someone be Kamuribia.
Let me tell you, let me make my point. My point is, number one, if you're doing a mediation, you're not the law. The man should help him to take this case to the law. That's number one.
People should wait. Let me listen to one person before you call again. I think I will soon end this live.
That's the truth.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Akwa Zion would not take your call. As an Igbo kid, Akwa Zion from now until tomorrow, he will not take your call on the Facebook Live. And he might not give you audience. That's the truth. The best thing he can do is to lead this man to the law. Let the law handle Akwa Zion. That's the truth.
Okay. That's wise. He's also wise. He's also wise. He's also a wise.
So that is it. You shouldn't. I know 100%. Even as you thinking now, your program is going on another channel, and they will not allow Akwa Zion to take your call. That's the truth, you know it.
Okay.
Respond to you.
Then we will do the needful. We will do the needful. When people are advising us, somebody like me, sir, if you followed me for a while, you should know I do my best to listen to good heads. You understand? As you are speaking now, I think I'm also noting down some points here out of what you've said. You understand? If they tell him not to listen, we will take the right steps.
Thank you.
We will take the right steps. It's not above the laws of Federal Republic of Nigeria. It's still a baby.
Listen. Someone is talking. Now I threat the man with police. If that is true. If it is true that Akwa threatened him with police, he doesn't have the monopoly of calling police. That is number one fact.
even the AIG. The AIG, in that case, because I think I am getting provoked. That's why I want to leave this live broadcast. I want to leave this live broadcast and go home and just rest my head and have a think over certain things. The AIG, if the AIG intervenes, helps them again to intimidate anybody, I will air his number. I will air his number and air his details on social media so that the whole world will hear. The AIG in Abuja, where he is, the man not wrong, the man should not aid anybody to intimidate anybody.
Yes, he's not above the law at all.
Not above the laws of Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Help this man to go through the law and present his case and evidence.
No problem, sir. Sir, what is your name? I wish to save your number. What's your name, sir?
My name is on Facebook.
Okay, hold on. Don't say it in the open. Try and get back to me again. And there's a lawyer that equally called here today, so I saved his number. Don't worry, I'll talk to you after now. Hello, sir. Governor Zollo is my name. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. I can hear you. Thank you. Do I have your permission to put it on loudspeaker? Should I put it on loudspeaker? Okay. All right, the world is listening to you.
I must commend you with the way you are handling everything and the open mind. If I'm to stay, because
Let me block somebody. Go ahead.
Was it yesterday before yesterday? K-Post, when the man was talking.
Hi, people should wait. Wait, let me finish taking this calls. I'll get back to you, please. Go ahead, my brother. Go ahead.
And if I took back, even though I know how the whole thing is, now about the pioneer may have multiple prominent, about that angle, come on, eventually, those food distributors, so far, even this man, the distributor, so you achieve in essence the sum of everything, but you have an education in no way, in a more peaceful way. Yes, the problem with everything so-called accusation, the man they may agree, but the advice in the although like if he can listen to you, like I by the edge of that man, your last caller, the young man with his prideful nature, and we command listen to you, but if by paraventure that listen, he need room for peace, kind dialogue in a peaceful way, because I won't lie. Maybe mother in the gas not carry front door things because open like na my one the man like the man may what I call drastical say now. This man I got to open yes not only the respond. No. The man not too much because before he bring into any business, people see me like he made some experiment. Can you vote that word? You make your own research. Or you get
the man made a mistake.
It's not done like that. I couldn't know the best way to treat customers.
Yeah.
The best way to treat because you can't just the man why you just drew it open that now no what he gave me when I'm good full like when come with problem but I never peace I never can you feel. Alright, the problem you have when you come here when we attach I told me
no problem.
But here never have let peace reign.
They are on live. They are on live broadcast already. Streaming this one. Later, I will have to work on this my Facebook page. Once you are streaming what I'm doing live, your page and what issue. So let me tell you this, Let me tell you this for free. This will not stop me from taking the adequate steps that should be taken. A lot of people now are come to see wherever they are. At your small corner, see it as that is the largest power you have. Don't explode it because you may not come and save. As I am here, one young man about Ifanye from Imo State. As a matter of fact, it's from my local government. The very contact Oje Google Zollo Vitas right now. Almost with that number here. And we because he chatted me, he told me what he needed. And I gave him the number. I'm surprised. Zobidolia. I can show the chat money about here. To show you no book I can show you chat money about here now on live broadcast like this. You don't fight anyway. Some things you don't fight because every vision, okay. No, every pregnancy holds the vision of so many thousands. Are you there? So, Obama may attack your business. Or good because even the people who dwells in you. Lanya Biko, if you're watching me live now, watch. Go and tell them that son of the Shanamite is higher than them. Lanya, ladies chat here. Ladies chats. Lay dates. Oh man, you know this contact. See, we go when man. Wait, let me show you. Layer 2. Layer.
I follow this. I follow
Layer. Even till now, they can't imagine that how far they are managing to sell their business. I am still directing people. Kai. Wait, I think I got to screenshot this because I just remembered, so I don't forget. People.
I know the impact you make it, but they're not going to feel like no owns the world or whatever. No, that's something they with the fact all of us are Igbos. And that's it. So you can't comment with them being but the open mind it's a handle this because one, I won't lie, I wanted to upload this video as a rough body shaming or each of the type of grievances how we could have I'm a fan of that man and I can never be. But when it comes to truth or somebody who is who I will say, I have a good deal, like all of a sudden, I don't go get that, he would take my business now, don't feel like that. Even though I live in business, you understand, I'm a medical practitioner, but I'm with the rich room, I'm going to what's the look at it when you want to take yes, you know, when you don't say reduce the price. Don't feel like no, I could be right. I didn't reduce, I'm reduce. Like any open car or send the other supply or Jonah at the people. You're the because like most people is coming from and then I like most people all these things, but when it comes to me, that man is not my fan and he can never but I will also stand that now. Like when it comes to this one now, this man imitate Charo. Just I imitate Charo. Stop saying game in now because I've always followed you and I won't lie. I didn't matter get the term. I think that now Igbo Gardena, man, I engage open mind. You understand? You open up with the all piece of major
Sir, let me tell you this, as you see me sit and talk about this matter. Onye ọbụla na-ekpe ikpe dosa obi ọcha, dosa his mind open. I reserve no grievances against Akwa. I reserve nothing. I owe that man no support. Onye nke enwe ego enwe o. And I owe Akwa no support. As far as I'm here, I must stick to what is right because God will kill me. Nature will kill my generation.
For me, I'm a practical Christian, like Christian. I mean, okay, that was right. Like, some things I was right. I was typing there. I was doing something wrong. I can say that yes, I stand on the side of the truth. You understand? And I commend you for that because after what this here, people get influenced. Only get to this avenue now. Yes.
No.
I'm not trying to join, but almost some places so they make it. I don't know where I attach. The major thing I need to know. You don't want the way forward, and the best way I get the results from here.
All right. Thank you.
With the information you want to go, you need a kind of verify you are very well. Maybe that this man gives you because I'm from ever can't get my food I give.
All right, sir. All right, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir?
Thank you very much, my brother.
No problem.
Thank you. I so much appreciate. I so much appreciate. Somebody has called me not less than many times, and I didn't pick this V global. I think I need to return. Jesus. All right, this broadcast, I think we need to stop now. We don't need to allow people to talk more about it. Let's take this last call. Hello.
Hello, my brother.
Yes, Governor Zollo is my name. Do I have your permission to put it on loudspeaker? Okay, sir. Yes, I've removed it from speaker. Is it not better I talk to you after this moment? All right, sir. Thank you very much. I did like to hear from you shortly. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Somebody say, Governor, don't end this. Oh, no, I like it, got problem. All right, let me call this man back. This man has called me severally, and I think I need to return his call. It's a sign of respect to you, sir. Hello, sir. This is Governor Zollo. You've called me severally, and I decided to call you back, sir. Don't be offended for not to have picked your call there. I'm on live section right now for your information, sir. Should I put it on loudspeaker? Okay. All right, thank you very much, sir. Go ahead.
Prof. Yeah.
Okay.
Blog. I'm a blogger. I'm a poor now, not to favor anybody.
Yes, sir.
I will go straight to the point. Core harmony into.
Yes, sir.
Not minding the whole bit.
Yes, sir.
Even recently, my own page, MRM free advert. But I will not say this now, just to favor him.
Okay. Okay, sir.
I love so much to that man's present you and present even the product. In fact, he was even promoting the product.
Yes.
The same process.
Yes.
That they drink the good. The
yes.
good.
Yes.
Or the very the best beer anybody can have.
Yes.
Because the videos are going viral. Especially you can't get them in life. Going first person brand at the life. Get them group. The whole thing is going viral. And when you say they can have quality, more I confirm more. Even the customer did split on the business. You want to go? Even within the process of his anger, can they maintain the Maya of good quality?
Yes.
This is even enough for anybody to take any step to go buy that drink, no matter the cost.
Yes.
So I could honor and follow this thing now, this live video. Possibly we could follow before.
He's here. I know.
So now he should pick this point. Come now. Yeah, pick this one to show that this man could have been the best, most wonderful customer he could have ever had. The man was a good man.
Yes.
You want to go? But anyway, area I think that's the area that maybe could have been causing this issue.
Okay.
That area, the man is having a kind of suspicion, and I want to advise the man to remove that thing.
What I had
Maybe business, you don't know. Because the kind of passion I went for this, leaders in the church, you hear Pastor Church, they too carried away. You want to go? So why they want to carry the way? Almost because they move her. That's once they move her too much. So I think the man is having something in mind there, which is not good at all. And I think it's not really good at all for even bringing it on air. It's very dangerous.
All right.
And who knows, will make it go that as passion to Akwa. Maybe you were provoked. Well, even some underlying threats. You want to go?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we need to be careful using such comments, especially on air, or the dangerous. Or if you describe the user against people, and so on. Because of
Yes.
And I'm not advise that man on air. Come on the full one. He should take his wife back.
Yes.
When you can want
Yes. After this live broadcast, I will call him. I'll call him and talk to him. It's very,
yes,
very...
one year was only person which can be a business.
Yes.
Club business now,
Yes.
where here was at a church, and I do a move now. Or talk even if you will for one if never I can also continue to the line. You see, I'm going to put that against the other side.
Yes. She's not bad.
That would be
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. All right. Everyone listening to me here. Hence, I'm on live section from now. I have tolerated this severally, where I will be on live section and somebody will be streaming my live broadcast, using it to make her own broadcasts. I will talk to my admins right now overseas to report that page. Report it officially to Facebook, whatever it takes for that account to go down, do so. My admins, please report this. Report this as I'm on live section. I don't know if they are still asleep. Mama Kanonora. Whatever, if I want to deal with you, I'll do it live, you see. So that is one side I will not relate again. Hello, Saudi Kinonora. Please check the write-up I sent to you now. Check it right now. I cannot be on live section and somebody will be streaming my live broadcast using it to insult me on her own page. So that account should be reported straight away, officially. That is what I said to you, sir. That is what I said to you. It should be reported officially. Somebody cannot divide my live broadcast and I don't do it to them. So report to Facebook officially. All right, Governor Zoku, I'm leaving this live section today, this moment. I'm leaving this live section on this date of 13th October 2024. I am leaving this live broadcast with a total view of, we had 500 and something views. Currently, I'm living here with 327 views. I mean, persons watching live right now. And I'm living here with, okay. I will reach out to you immediately. Giddy, there is, please, if it's something I can do by myself without disturbing any of my admin, please chat me immediately. I need to deal with one person. So that others will learn. Others will learn the hard way. And I'm living here with 28,100 persons has viewed this our live broadcasts. Adeyama Kania, members and friends of Governor Zoku. You guys are so awesome. We will stick to what is right. We will continue doing it. There's nothing the enemy can do. There's nothing the enemy can do. There's nothing the wicked can do to us. We will remain here. We'll continue doing this. Tomorrow, honest, I bring you the details about the woman who complained about 4,700,000 naira for visa she paid to a pastor. So that case will be looked into. I have found out the gospel truth. No visa actually was paid for. Yes, the pastor started telling me stories. How monies went out of his account, about 4.something million naira, leaving 18,000 naira there. So I will take my time to talk about this and we'll look into it. I always tell people, say the truth and leave the remaining. The rest, God will find a way to take up preeminence upon any situation at all. So thank you very much. My name is Governor Zoku. We must continue. We must continue. There's no going back. We must do what is right and we must continue doing it. Thank you very much. Your best piece of advice is something you can give me inbox, is something you can chat me, you can private chat me to tell me. And I'll listen to you. Give us the best ideas and give us the best mechanisms to do this job for humanity. We would surely listen to you. And I can tell you for free, it is not easy to manage anger. Sometimes we also go at flame. Sometimes we'll go on flame. You see us responding to people the way we don't need to. So also sympathize with us. See us as your own child. See us as your own brother, as your own sister. See it that we don't know everything. See it that we still have something we may learn from you. Then call us to order. We will listen to you. My name is Governor Zoku, son of the great Shanamites that lives amongst the angels. Happy Sunday from here.